What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Chainlink and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing, truly. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as you can see, Chainlink has had a nice breakout recently. Obviously, it's been trading downwards inside this channel for some time because of the essentially the market-wide correction that we've been experiencing. But it did get a really nice bounce to the upside, which we mentioned in our last video. Although for the past few days, we have been we did flip bearish on EMAs here, as we can see, and we have been moving down somewhat. We came down to retest this level at around $23.5 to $24. But we have seen another nice little bounce in the past day or so. As you can see, we're on the hourly time frame here. And it does look as though we're just flipping bullish on the EMAs here. As you can see, most cryptos have flipped bullish on their EMAs, but Chainlink is lagging behind somewhat. But it does seem as though Chainlink's chart, if you take a look at it, is heavily correlated to Bitcoin, just like most charts are right now. But we are seeing a nice little pump for Bitcoin at the time recording this video. I believe it's at 37k and moving up. It seems like it's about to break out maybe to 40k, which would be very nice to see. Obviously, we need to see Bitcoin above 41k in our opinion before we can fully see the bull run continuing and the fear in the market subsiding. Obviously, Bitcoin is currently in a period of high volatility and uncertainty, and the whole market has joined it. But it seems as though Chainlink itself is currently consolidating fairly nicely. It came all the way up and oh my god, I'm moving my lines around. It came all the way up and retested the channel that it fell out of before, as we can quite clearly see here. Came up and retested the channel, but it bounced off, but it's found support, and also it's making higher lows, which is something that we've been stressing in our videos today. It's very important that we make higher lows. As you can see here, higher lows means that we're primed for continuation. As long as we're not making lower lows and slowly slipping down and rolling over, it means that we're probably going to be seeing a recovery. Basically, what we've seen here is we've come up, we've basically broken out of our downtrend here, got the flip of the EMAs, very nice. We've moved up and retested our previous channel that we were inside of as a resistance, come back down. This is about a 50% retracement, which you'll often see. And now we're looking basically to retest this channel, and if we can break inside it and flip it into support, then obviously continuation for Chainlink then would be golden. So if we can get a nice pump in the market, we do think this is possible. Obviously, as we can see, Chainlink is easily capable of pumping up to this level because we just did basically a few days ago. So what we want to see now is this ABC pump. Essentially, we're basically making higher highs and higher lows. We've already made our higher lows and we've made one higher high, so we just want to see another higher high. And if that was the case, we'd probably be looking to head well above this resistance and into this $40 range, as you can see here, which would be very nice. Obviously, if things continued as they are right now, we'd be looking at something like $43 to $44 for Chainlink, which would be very nice. Being back within this channel as well would be primed for continuation, and we could essentially trade inside of this kind of these levels here and move it to the upside in the long term. So we're still bullish on Chainlink. Obviously, we always say it on this channel, but we just like to reiterate that its fundamentals are some of the best in the whole of the space. Well over 500 projects are integrated with it. Stablecoins rely on it. Basically, the entirety of DeFi on ETH and other networks rely heavily on Chainlink. So we do think it's severely undervalued. And I mean, look at this for an opportunity to buy. You're essentially buying Chainlink at around 50% off its all-time high. 45, nearly 46% off. And if you don't think Chainlink is going to reach these all-time highs and well beyond in the long term, then you basically probably don't understand how valuable Chainlink truly is. The fact that it's getting so much adoption and use case, and it's improving its network all the time, we do think that this is severely undervalued considering what it's providing. And we do think, as we've stated in previous videos, by the end of the bull run, once the parabolic end of the run starts to occur, we do think it's very likely that Chainlink could easily hit $500, maybe even 1K, just because of how severely undervalued it is. We're basing this off of essentially in the last bull cycle, Chainlink did actually get to around a 5% market dominance, which essentially would mean if we hit that in this bull cycle, that would be around a $3,000 Chainlink. Now, we don't think that this is going to happen, simply because there's a lot more competition now and a lot more different cryptos. And obviously, as cryptocurrencies get bigger, their ROIs tend to decrease because of just the limitations of market cap. So we're setting a more conservative price target of around $500 to 1K, which is around, 3 to 5 times smaller than a 5% market dominance that we saw in the previous market, because we don't think that Chainlink realistically could achieve that. Obviously, if it did, that would be absolutely incredible, but we're trying to keep our price targets a bit more reserved, especially considering the correction that we've had recently. But we do think Chainlink is severely undervalued, and essentially a 10x from now would be around $300, which is getting real close to that $500 to 1K mark. So I think essentially if we could get around a 10x from now, which we do think is very possible considering that Chainlink's market cap is still quite small, it's not prohibitively large, because obviously market cap is the thing that matters more than individual price of tokens. We think if Chainlink can essentially get back inside this channel, we do think in the short term we could get to between $50 and $100, and then a 10x from there, boom, you're reaching our price targets. So we don't think the bull run is over by any stretch. We think Chainlink is severely undervalued. As you can see, things are starting to pick up again for Chainlink, and we do think that it could, if it gets back inside this channel, then we do think sooner or later it's going to hit all-time highs again, maybe in the next few months or the next month, considering whether or not Bitcoin can get back above 41K. If it does that, then I think everything is just going to pump, because the fear in the market is going to start to dissolve, and once that happens, most cryptos are going to start getting bought up en masse. So, I mean, but what an opportunity though. Getting Chainlink for around $30 seems a steal when its all-time high was well over $50. So, not financial advice, of course, but those are our thoughts on Chainlink today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Like, comment, and subscribe to be in with a chance of winning a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, you can please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up. We've had well over 100 people sign up so far, but many were confused as to why they didn't receive the free stocks, and from our analytics this is most likely because you haven't deposited the $100 yet, so make sure to do that to be eligible. As we said, you can withdraw the money from the platform if you wish after receiving them. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.